Hello, this is my 3D printer. It took me a year and a half to build. It came in like weekly parts in a magazine. But for a whole year I've never managed to there's something wrong with it. And I think for the first time I've actually got it to building. It is 3D printing a container to put SD cards in. See, this is the program. See, that's just showing you the what stage it's at. Printing time 2 hours and 34 minutes and 38 seconds. You see it's going down, so it's 35 seconds. Temperature is at 178 Celsius, and the print bed, but the extruder is a heat extruder, 177 Celsius, and the heat print bed is 57 or 56 Celsius. So far, so good. I don't know. Seems to be building at an angle. Come back in it soon. Come back to it soon. Another little update. We have got 2 hours and 7 minutes to go. That's what it should look like. We might actually be getting somewhere now. Something is actually working. It's starting to work. Another update just to see how far it's getting on. Temperature is 180 with a heat extruder. Heat print bed 58. Hello. Right, this is nearly finished, as you can see. 11 seconds to go. Well, that's my SD card holder, 3D printed. Voila! Printing successfully finished in 2 hours and 44 minutes and 55 seconds. So I press OK. And it's disconnected everything. So I guess now what I have to do now is to take it off. I'm going to take it off, not quite too sure how I'm going to take it off, because it does say on the magazines, but I couldn't find it, so maybe I'll just very carefully let's take a closer look at it in some better light. Oh well, maybe that'll do. Well, not quite straight, as you can see. It's a bit bendy, if you like, not matched up. It's supposed to be flat, but let's see if it kind of does the job. Hold some in place. There you go. I first have a print job and it feels pretty hard, so the job well done. Thank you very much, 3D printer. We finally got there in the end. Woohoo! Ready for the next job. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Good night. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.